ndebe anyị daalụ nọ nsị ka nkwuke okwu a na okwu amakwu onwe afọ mba Ifechukwu degwunye nga mgbe onye Iselukwu mgbe onye Idumile ife Anioma asọchi nne mbido okwu Anioma since 2009 ka nnọrị ụnụ akwụkwọ shinne ba mmanya na ife ndị Urobo eme anyị na owuhe shinne na anyị adịga big enough ka ndị oyibo si wee kwuo ebo a state on our own. And ka when I bụ Senator Ned bido okwu steeti ya ọsụ anyị ba sọrị am ba sụọ am ba sị oh na Chukwu daalụ na onye si from local government m bịa na ya bụ ife ememe ife mana ka o sizi eme na ibe ife wuhemni ijege create state ọ bụkwa local government ọ bụ na hide and seek ka unu ga na-eme tinye aka wepụ ụkwụ ojeko public hearing anyị anụnụnụ selecti na ya bụzi onye selecti ọ bring it to the open. Our traditional rulers not carried along. Ndị wa carry along with traditional rulers ọ bụ na they can't see beyond their nose. I'm sorry to say that. Ndị ọ bụ na ọ na-enwe ike ekwu eziokwu nwa ha mma ife asagba gwa ka o jefua state creating a state is an Herculean task. Therefore you must carry everybody along. Ikwe ndị esuwe ni onye 1 naira na-eme n'onwe wakpọm onye yi ndị ọ bụ na Ned enyi na wama nwikeri wabịaza WhatsApp wee kwụsite etete ekwu ka ọgwụwa mana ife anyị agwa Ned bụ na we must create this state and we must create it within the ambit of the law, within the principles that governs state creation, that everybody, when you talk about referendum, give a referendum. Referendum is that everybody, all voices, every voices must be recognized, and not one stupid idiot to see maybe I'm on a bus gabia sinobu media merchant game wiki na makano on emagano who use one pocket phone a day for then Facebook and WhatsApp. All of a sudden we are na Igbo kanyebo na hebu Igbo unity Igbo united ekuzi Igbo united we abia ekwu na Anioma anyị ga-akwụsịkwa alụ ndị a emeni. Senator Ned, we like you. Just that your handlers, they are your biggest problem. They are the one pushing you into some of the mistakes you make, because you create a state is a welcome development. We like it, and we are telling you that it's a categorical no that we are not going to the southeast. We are good here in the south. We are very good in the south. Only if again is the southeast, we will protest. We will occupy everywhere to tell whoever. And I know that the president cannot create Anioma state against the wishes of the people. We are not timid. Anioma people, we are well learned and educated. We have read through everything, all the principles that talks about state creation, the town hall meetings, everything that has to do with the state, the creation of state. We know that you have not even gone 1 quarter. Public hearing, you are going to Uyo with a selected few who does not even have a face, who does not even know what state is all about. So I just say, let me chip in this today so that Senator must understand this. And now we are asking, what if before 2027 the Anioma state is not created? What if is a very big question. Let me end it here. My name is Comrade Victor Muyenga Dalon.
You all have heard what that boy from Iselukwu said. Well, the boy don't have sense, so we need to use his stupidity to teach those that want to have sense for them to learn. The boy said that Senator Ned Nwoko is doing hide and seek by selecting people that went to the public hearing. He said that our traditional rulers are not carried along. These people go about saying different kinds of lies to prove a point. Senator Ned Nwoko organized a summit for Anioma State in Asaba. That summit was organized in Grand Hotel Asaba. Look at the pictures from that summit. So many kings from Anioma came to that summit. Kings from Ukwuani came. Kings from Ukwuani came. Kings from Ikaland came. The Obi of Abo came. So many kings came, and this was why I have the right to come online to say, Senator Ned Nwoko, he did not carry our kings along. Talk say the Obi of Iselukwu not come out. Say that one they pay you. Talk am. The boy wants Senator Ned Nwoko to come and start bowing down to the Obi of Iseluku. Make he come, they bow down to una, they tell and say, hey, they pursue for the agitation of Anioma state to make una come support them. There are so many communities in this Anioma land. Anioma communities plenty. You want make Senator Ned, they go to those communities one by one. You go for the whole community where they Ukwuani land. You go for the whole community where they Ika land. You go for the whole community where they Oshimi and Anyocha land. Now this one you want make Senator Ned Nwoko they do. Your communities have representatives. Reach out to this man. The man is too busy. In that summit that Senator Ned Nwoko organized in Asaba, in Grand Hotel, so many kings came. So many people from different places in Anioma land came. Ohaneze ndi Igbo came. Senator Ned Nwoko did not go and meet Ohaneze ndi Igbo in their house. They heard that he's agitating for Anioma state. They reached out to Senator Ned Nwoko. They came. So many people that came to that summit, Senator Ned Nwoko not tell them say, come o. They hear him. They are interested. They support him. They love him. They come for that summit. So because of the Obi of Iseluku not come there, now you get the right to talk rubbish. See, they not carry Anioma kings along. Can you imagine? He said that those traditional rulers that were carried along by Senator Ned Nwoko are traditional rulers that don't see beyond their nose. He said that those kings don't say the truth. If the Obi of Iseluku was among those kings that came to that summit for Anioma State organized by Senator Ned in Grand Hotel, if the Obi of Iseluku was among those kings, will this Ozwai come out online and say that the Obi of Iseluku does not see beyond his nose? Will he come out and say that the Obi of Iseluku does not like saying the truth? He go fit come out and talk him? No. Any picking where they insult another person, papa, people go insult your own papa. That mouth where you open talk say those kings where come for our summit, those kings where they follow Senator Ned Nwoko to actualize Anioma state. That mouth where they talk say they know they like truth, say they know they see beyond their nose. Iga poglo dabu onwe. For insulting those kings, ige jebo yanega toy. As you get mind, they insult other people kings. And you just go to just wipe you hot slap for your face. Une pussy game kunu. Puta na gwa India ne marose na what they are for beyond their nose. In Ukwuani land today, so many Ukwuani communities don't have kings. What we have is Okpaluku. Okpaluku no they come up for in community. Okpaluku does not travel. Okpaluku no they even go another community where near am. No matter the conference, no matter the occasion, even if Okpaluku's son, they marry for another committee, Okpaluku no they go. He sent delegates there to represent him. So that is why the Okpalukus in Ukwuani land did not come for that Anioma State Summit. And that was why they did not come to that public hearing in Enugu and in Uyo. One thing that Ukwuani land don't have is that we Ukwuani people, we don't have structure whereby the delegates representing all those Okpalukus will come together as an organization. An organization in Ukwuani that will be called the Okpaluku Council in Ukwuani land. Where we say anything where we say if they happen for Ukwuani land, all these delegates from these Okpalukus go they represent, but we not get them. If not, they for call for that summit where Senator Ned Nwoko do for Grand Hotel for Asaba. They for come that public hearing. Now you get mouths, they come online, they talk rubbish. You know carry kings along. All those kings welcome summit, they not be kings. He said that the asaba of Asaba told Senator Ned Nwoko that he should carry everyone along. Is Senator Ned Nwoko not carrying everyone along? I not say the along where this boy thought that makes Senator Ned Nwoko they go visit all the kings for Anioma land. Make it they tell and say they agitate for Anioma state. If Senator Ned Nwoko not reach out to you, reach out to him. Senator Ned Nwoko not be senator where we say they carry shoulder. If you go in house, you go see different people there, they won't see them, and you go attend to everybody where they there. Even if that person rich or poor, Senator Ned Nwoko go sit down with that person, talk with that person. He's a free man. Asaba no say Senator Ned Nwoko is doing the right thing, but he's just giving him fatherly advice. Now waiting is supposed to talk, now in talk, and Senator Ned Nwoko is doing it. Most of these boys we are seeing, they get other politicians where they work for. And those politicians no want make Senator Ned Nwoko actualize Anioma State because they know that if Senator Ned Nwoko actualize Anioma State, that he will be seen as the father of Anioma. Now why they see so many of these boys, they come out online, they talk rubbish. Senator Ned this, Senator Ned that. All those backing end for their page, for their Facebook page, will pass like this. He said that we must create the state within the principles and laws that governs state creation. He said that every voice should be recognized. The public hearing in Uyo and the Enugu states, everyone were allowed to come for that public hearing. Room were given for everyone to speak their mind. So, which one you call the thought say they're not they recognize every voice? If you don't want Anioma State to be zoned to the southeast, come for that public hearing, talk am. They not see all this mumu for there. That day we dey wait make we see people who want to make Anioma State remain for south. We not see any of them. None of them feel come out talk. There is room for you people to speak. You are nowhere to be found. You dey hear of public hearing. You want make Senator Nwoko can't give you money for transport, say make you come public hearing. Make you go, the whole Anioma communities go, they tell their king, say they want to do public hearing, may they come. You want to be carried along, but you are not carrying yourself along. Now who carry himself along, they go carry along. If you involve yourself in this Anioma State agitation, they will carry you along. If Senator Ned Nwoko is not following the laws and principles that governs the creation of a state, how come the 90 senators in Nigeria supported the creation of Anioma State? If to say they follow those principles, how come 90 senators support the creation of Anioma State? This boy from Iseluku na we no get sense. Just saying rubbish. They talk out of point. Person they follow the due procedure, and 90 senators support them. Don't you have sense? In the whole states that have been proposed in Nigeria to be created, Anioma State, they top charts. No state where they don't bring up for this Nigeria where other people won't create. Where reach Anioma State? Anioma State don't beat every requirement for a state to be created. You know what it be say 90 senators, 90 support Anioma State. So what principles is this boy talking about? If you don't like Senator Ned Nwoko, that one now for you. But coming out online to say that he is not going to the right direction in this Anioma State agitation shows that that person is an oswai. You not get sense. With the essence of people, they ignorant. This boy not be ignorant. They na mumu be onwe huche. Firstly, he was insulting kings that are supporting Senator Ned for the creation of Anioma State. Now they thought say Senator Ned not they follow the right principles. As they insult those kings where they work with Senator Ned Nwoko to see Anioma State is being naturalized. He said that all of a sudden that people are now doing Igbo unity in Anioma land. And he was insulting people that are talking about Igbo unity in Anioma. Anioma land is Igbo land. And there is nothing anyone from Iseluku can do about it. See, this Iseluku people, now them you go see, they come out online, they talk rubbish. Anioma State cannot join Southeast. We Anioma people, we are not Igbo people. We Iseluku, we are not Igbo. The first people that settled in Iseluku land are from Unri. Nanri people, they are the first people that settled in that land. They have lived in that land hundreds of years. After some time, the grandchild of Ezechime, grandchild, his name is Olibo. Olibo came to Iseluku and met the Unri people there. The people now accepted him and crowned him their first Obi. And that was why Iseluku community was called Isele Olibo. That was the name of that kingdom in the past. Some migrants from Benin with a prince there. A prince who is the son of Oba Akenzwa. They came to Iseluku. They're going to do some magomago and some evil things where they do. Can't take over the throne of Iseluku kingdom. They now change the name of the land from Isele Olibo to Iseleuku. And today, now those migrants from Benin get down mouth, they talk, say, Iseluku is not an Igbo community. We Iseluku people are Benin people. The same Iseluku people came out and said that they are the traditional head of Ezechime class. Can you imagine? You will be say, You are not even a descendant of Ezechime. You don't even carry Ezechime blood. You be Bini person. And the Bini people in Iseluku today is just the royal family. The royal family that came from Bini. Iseluku people are Igbo people. The Nri people there are still saying that they are not from Bini, that they are Igbo people, that they are Nri people, and that they are the first people to settle in that land. So who are you, a migrant from Bini, to be saying that Iseluku people are not Igbo people? This same boy don't go fight one of our person for Iseluku. Ugo Best said that Iseluku people are Igbo people. This boy go fight them. When they carry the matter go palace, their Obi tell this Mumu say make he beg Ugo Best. Ugo Best senior and yet he go fight them. We know the history of Iseluku. See, Iseluku have one of the worst history in this Anioma land. One of the worst history. If you talk, you know good. So many of these people for Iseluku where they come and they tell say, we are not Igbo people. If you talk their history, the brutal part of their history, like it's not good for ear. And they are claiming that they are Bini people. They don't know that they are not even Bini people. If you talk waiting these people be for Bini before they come back, it's not good for ear. Now you get out, they come out, they talk rubbish. Anioma land is Igbo land. Iseluku is an Igbo community. It's a Cree people, a Yoruba people, but their king is a Bini descendant. The royal family in Isekiri, Oluofore, he is a descendant of Bini. Now Bini man he be, but he cannot decide for Isekiri people where to be. If Isekiri people don't say they want to get their own state, say they want day for Southwest, the Oluofore cannot stop them. Say your ancestors come from Bini, not give you the right to tell Aboriginal people where you meet for that place where they go be. You know they happen for anywhere. Small picking like you from Iseluku, now won't stop us from embracing our Igbo identity. Coming online to say rubbish. You are looking for the attention of Senator Ned Nwoko for him to come and give you money. But you will fail because Senator Ned Nwoko not they recognize Mumu. He said that Anioma State will never go to the southeast. That they are good in the south. Who are you to keep Anioma State in the south? Do you think that Tinubu will give south 7 states while his own region southwest is 6 states? You know, say some people go just come online, they talk rubbish, they don't get sense. Yoruba land have only 6 states. South have 6 states. Southeast have 5 states. So you are expecting Tinubu to create Anioma State and zone it to be in south. For south to have 7 states and for southwest his own place to have 6 states. This is Iseluku boy no get sense na mumu. Anioma State is to be created and to be zoned to the southeast. When he was talking in that video, he said that he knows that Urobo people are not doing us well in this Delta state. And the mumu still they talk say make Anioma State remain for south with those same Urobo people. South comprises of Urobo, Bini people and others. He still wants us to be in the south with the same people that are marginalizing us. This boy na mumu no zai be, not get sense. It not get sense. Waiting southeast don't do us we make una they avoid southeast. It can't be you say you be migrants for Anioma. Oh. You people just came around those 17th century. You are a migrant. We don't dey here before you come. Anioma is already an Igbo speaking region, an Igbo speaking land before you Bini people that are now ruling Iseluku came. And you still have the right to come online and be telling us that we will remain in South, that we will never join Southeast, our brothers. This boy now is why. He's an Ozwai, you not get sense. Who are you to tell us where to be? Well, we started agitating for Anioma State since last year. We visited Senator Ned Nwoko in his house and gave him the memorandum of Anioma State with boundary adjustment to bring back the Ika people in Edo State to join Anioma State for them to be with their brothers and for Anioma State to be zoned to the southeast. For us to coexist with our brothers, to balance the southeast, for southeast to have 6 states instead of 5 states. And now you want to tell us, say, na sasa we go there. Hey, Ozaya de Homa. Where? Ozaya Jife. We, the Igbo Unification Movement, we visited the Ukwuani of Okpanam Kingdom. The Ukwuani told us that we and Anioma people are Igbos. He said that we should do everything possible and make sure that we actualize Anioma State and make sure that Anioma State is being zoned to the southeast for us to coexist with our brothers. We visited the Obuzo of Ibuzo Kingdom, and he told us that Ibuzo people are Igbo people. He told us that Anioma is Igbo land and territory. He told us that we should do everything possible and make sure that Anioma State is being zoned to the southeast. The Ikwela of Ibuzo told us the same thing. We visited the Obi of our kingdom in Nika land. He told us that they are Igbo people, that our kingdom is an Igbo kingdom, that they came from Ori. We visited the Obi of Obolono kingdom. He told us that they are Igbo people and that we are one people with the southeast, that we should make sure that Anioma State is being zoned to the southeast. And this was why from Iseluku, now want to tell us say we are not Igbo people. Now you small picking like you now want to make all those kings to remain in south, not to join southeast. This boy is an Oswai. This Iseluku boy now Oswai. Not get sense. The power of you Iseluku people, and for that one Iseluku, you have no right to decide for we Ukwuani people where to belong. You have no right to decide for Ika people where to belong. You have no right to decide for Oshimi and Anacha people where they belong. We are Igbo people. So the opinion of this set of people don't matter. If you be Iseluku person and you say you come from Benin, fine. Day your day. You are free to accept your Benin identity and shut up your mouth. No, they come online, they talk, say we not be Igbo people. Who are you? You want me to tell them when they bow down to your Obi? Our kingdom in Nika land is far older than Iseluku. Ibuzo kingdom is far older than Iseluku. Ogwashuku is far older than Iseluku. So many communities in Anioma land are far older than Iseluku. Some of their kings, them never meet with Senator Ned Nwoko. But they are in full support of Anioma State because they know say this man is too busy. And he's doing everything possible to make sure that Anioma State is being actualized. If we still get that Anioma State, it go better for the entire kings in Anioma. It go better for every community with the Anioma land. Now you small picking won't stop we Anioma people not to embrace our southeast brothers. He said that they will protest against the zoning of Anioma State to the southeast. And he said that Tinubu will not create Anioma State against the wish of Anioma people. If you like, protest, pack everybody where they say look and some other mumu will be like you for Anioma land. Go protest. The protest will never count. Go and protest now. The street is open. Go and protest. Back online. You are free to back. But all those protests are a waste of time. We are Anioma people, we are Igbo people, and we are expected to be zoned to the southeast. Creating Anioma State and zoning it to be in the south is against Tinubu self. Tinubu not go come create Anioma State, put them for Sasa, make Sasa get 7 states, whereas Yoruba people get just 6 states. Don't you have sense? Anioma State will be used to balance the southeast. So if you like, go protest to pack other mumu people like you, go protest to your protest, go just end for that on a road when they protest them. If you like, go put them for newspaper, put them for TV, go radio jingle, do this one after everything you're backing ends online. Those backing cannot stop Anioma State not to be zoned to the southeast. Anioma State is Igbo land and territory. Any king for Anioma State say make Anioma State remain for South, he's just speaking for himself. No be that king they rule we Ukwuani people. No be that king they rule the entire Inuani people. No be that king they rule the entire Ika people. No king has the right to speak for another community in this Anioma land. Talk more of this non-entity. Rubbish. Anioma State is a go. We Anioma people, we are in full support of Anioma State and we stand by Senator Ned Nwoko. Nobody can stop Anioma State not to be created and zoned to the southeast. Igbo Bofu, and we will never allow this set of people that don't have sense to stop we Anioma people from actualizing Anioma State and being zoned to the southeast. Ishiagwale.